Good morning, beautiful people. It's a chilly Sunday morning here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the likes, the comment, the subscription. Asanteni sana. I really do appreciate you taking your time and watching my videos and subscribing. Asanteni sana. Now, this amazing morning, this chilly morning, I've decided let me do breakfast, but from the heading you already know we are doing some pancakes. So this is just the way, my own way. I mean, people have various ways of cooking pancakes, but I thought I'd share with you what I normally use. It's a short and quick way. It doesn't take too much, so stay online and watch this video until the end. So guys, let me take you through the ingredients of what we're gonna use today. So here with me is a flour. Now this is a self-rising flour. This is a flour that has been mixed with some baking powder or so. So it's a self-rising flour. It also has other ingredients that it has been mixed with. And then I have some sugar over here, the sugar over here, and then I have some cooking oil over here. I have a glass of milk, and then I have salt, and definitely some eggs. So let's see how we're going to go through this together. So in a bowl that already has our flour, we're going to add some sugar on the flour. So we could use a tablespoon for that. So we're just going to use a tablespoon to add some sugar on the flour and then mix very well. So here is our tablespoon. So what I'm going to do is just going to put about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of sugar, just like that. And then after doing that, we mix the sugar and the flour. We make sure that it's mixed properly. So we mix the sugar and the flour well in the bowl, just as I'm doing it. So you ensure it mixes well. Don't be in a hurry, just do it slowly. So yeah, I've mixed it for about a minute or so, just for the sugar to, you know, mix properly with the flour. So after mixing the sugar onto the flour, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. It's very little. So guys, this is the salt I'm going to add. Not too much, but just a pinch. Yes, and then after adding, I'm also going to mix the same in our bowl. So make sure that it mixes properly, as I am doing, just for about a minute or so. So in a separate bowl, beat the eggs. I've just beaten them in a separate bowl. Just make sure you beat them properly until the egg is properly mixed in a separate bowl. And then we are going to add a little bit of our cooking oil onto the eggs that you've already beaten. Not too much. There we go. And then you're going to have to mix this properly. Just mix it properly so that it can mix properly with the eggs. Just beat it properly, mix it properly so that it can properly mix with the eggs for about a minute or so. Make sure it mixes properly. Yes, just like that. Okay. Now once the oil is mixed properly with the eggs, you add milk. I've just added milk here, and then we also mix properly. Once you add the milk, just make sure that you're able to mix properly. So guys, this is a mixture of the 2 eggs we had, and some cooking oil, and a little bit of the milk that we had over here. We've just added onto the bowl and mixed the mixture properly. So this is how it appears once you have mixed the same. So let's just put it over here, and now this one is now ready for mixing to the dry ingredients, which is the which is the flour and the sugar and the salt that we had actually mixed separately. I hope you're able to see that. So we are going to add this mixture onto our flour. So here we go. So we've just added the mixture, and we're going to use our cooking stick over here. This is our mwiko. We're going to use it to mix this properly until it is mixed well. So guys, we're going to mix this up until we get not so thin, not so thick kind of mixture, but just the right mixture. I mean, making thick pancakes, sometimes they don't end up, you know, getting well cooked on the inside. So I prefer mine being the mixture being lighter, so that my pancake is able to cook both inside and outside. So just gonna mix this. So yes, just like that. See the way our mixture is turning out? Yeah, we are almost there. So we continue mixing until we are able to see that our mixture is well, our flour is well mixed, and it's in line with what we really want to cook, and also the size of, I mean, the thickness of what we want to cook. We really don't want to cook thick pancakes, just like I've said there, like I've said a while ago. So you're just gonna mix this until it mixes properly. So continue doing this until you're sure that the flour has mixed well with your milk. So guys, once our mixture is ready, you will know. You see the way it appears, very smooth. So this definitely tells you that it's ready. The mixture is now ready. So what we're going to do is just let this stay for a while as we prepare our pan, and also, you know, just get ready to now cook our pancakes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cover this. Let me just remove this from the bowl. Yeah, so just gonna cover this and let it stay for like a minute or so. So guys, we're now ready to cook our pancake. I've just put on the heat, but I've turned the heat on the lower side. Don't want to cook pancakes under very high heat, so I've just lowered the heat. So on this pan, we're just gonna add a little bit of our cooking oil, so at least when we put our pancake on the pan, it doesn't have to stick on the pan. So we're just gonna add a little bit of cooking oil. We add our mixture on the pan. I like using this because it's easier. At least I get the size and the shape I want. So this is how we do it. So as you can see, the shape is okay. What do you think, guys? Is the shape okay? So yes, I let that cook. Because under low heat, I've actually reduced the heat. I've really reduced the heat because I don't want my pancakes to burn on the downer part. So guys, as you can see, that's how I prepare it. So I wait for it to cook on the downer side so that I'm able to turn, and you will know just by tasting with regards to, you try to do like this. Once it doesn't stick on the pan, then you know it's time to just turn it on the other side. Okay, so like ours doesn't stick, so that tells us that we're able now to turn it like that. Are you seeing, guys, how it appears great, it appears nice. I'll just zoom in so that you can see how it appears on the pan. So you continue cooking under low heat until all the pancakes that you had, the mixture that you had, is finished and complete. So yes, let's continue cooking this until we reach the desired texture and the desired color that we want for our pancakes. So guys, our pancakes are ready. As you can see, our pancakes are ready. Now we're going to have this milk with some ginger tea. It's just water boiling with raw ginger. I've just grated the raw ginger in the water, and then I'm going to add some tea leaves and let it also boil for some time. Then later on add the milk. So guys, this is our tea getting ready. I just I love having ginger tea, and I love having the raw ginger as compared to the powdered one. So I just boil the two together for a minute or so before adding the tea leaves. So we're gonna have the pancakes with the tea. As you can see, the tea is just about to get ready. So guys, this is how I prefer my tea. I prefer my tea the ginger way, being cooked with a little bit of some raw ginger. What I do is just I boil water, and then I grate the ginger, the raw ginger in the water, and then I let it boil. Then later on I add the tea leaves, and then also let it boil for like about 3 minutes or so. Then afterwards I add my milk and also let it boil. Yeah, so it's a quick way to prepare tea. I don't know how you prepare tea, how you prefer your tea. Let me know in the comment section how you prefer your tea being made, but I prefer mine this way, whereby I just grate the raw ginger instead of the powdered ginger. So you're gonna have the pancakes that I've just showed you a while ago with this tea. So let me know if you try it out and how it has turned out, and let me know which dish you'd like us to cook together. Yes, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Other than that, bye bye for now.